Project Meetings Planner, an app by Innovating Solutions. This app is used to create, organize, communicate collaborative project meetings. First, for setup, you'll want to open project settings to change project type settings to fit your individual needs. However, our default settings are usually sufficient, with short-term being a 1-month project, medium-term being a 3-month project, and long-term being a year-long project. With each term settings, you can change how many times you meet, how many weeks you're meeting for, and the number of meetings within the time frame. Next, you'll want to create the project overview by entering a project title, a location, a description, then you'll want to check the start date for your project and the start time. Then you can use the autofill if you'd like. That'll take your project type and create the end date for you based on what project type that you've selected. It'll also create the repeat based on your project settings. Next, you'll want to select the project duration. This will complete the overview of the project. Next, you'll want to create the details for each of the individual meetings by clicking the Details tab. This will pre-fill for you based on your project types, your individual meetings. You can then edit and delete meetings or add meetings as you see fit. If you don't make any changes, just click Done. Now click on the date for your first meeting. This will pre-fill for you from the overview. You can now select and change the occurrence for this individual meeting. Make any necessary changes. And then click the Add to Email button at the top. Now you'll go back and fill out the details for the next meeting. Any changes that you make, whether this meeting is in a different location or it's a different time frame. Now you can optionally, as you're adding these meetings, add them to your project calendar as well. Then you can go back, click on your next meeting, and if your next meeting happens to be on the 25th instead of the 24th, you can change the date here and add to calendar and add to your email. And as you add each of these meetings to your email, they disappear from your list because you're filling it out here. Make any changes, add to email. Now you'll go back, and if you click on your email button on your toolbar now, your meeting with all of the details will be set up for you. So you can set up your who you're going to send this to, and go ahead and send the email. And your meeting is now planned.